Good morning. You are listening to Kanak Keswani, your news anchor of Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 26th May from around the world. How the states handle domestic flights on day 1. In UP, 6 flights landed at Lucknow airport and 7 departed to Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Bangalore and Delhi. All counters were covered with transparent plastic sheets to ensure airport staff do not come in contact with passengers who were screened for temperature and symptoms. In Maharashtra, a total of 47 flights took off from Mumbai airport and arrived. The airport handled 4,852 passengers from 14 places across the country. The more number of departure was to New Delhi. India-Israel to share tech know-how on COVID fight. Principal Scientific Advisor to the Prime Minister, Professor K. Vijay Raghavan, held discussions with Dani Gold, head of the Directorate of R&D in Israel's Ministry of Defense, on scientific cooperation between the two countries to address COVID-19. Officials in the Ministry of Science and Technology said Monday's discussion was centered around the research and development for rapid diagnosis based on big data and AI technology to enable a rapid return to normal. Modi speaks to Bangla PM, Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday spoke to Bangladesh PM Sheikh Hasina and the Crown Prince of the Emirate of Abu Dhabi, Mohammed bin Zayed, wishing them on the occasion of Eid al-Fitr and discussing with them the COVID-19 pandemic. An official statement said the two leaders shared their assessment of the damage caused by the cyclone Amphan in both the countries. The leaders also discussed the COVID pandemic situation and the ongoing collaboration between the two countries in this regard. Prime Minister Modi reaffirmed India's support to Bangladesh in addressing these challenges. WHO suspends allocation of patients to HCQ arm for now. In the light of emerging evidence, the World Health Organization has temporarily suspended allocation of patients in the hydroxychloroquine arm of the Solidarity trial. A call will be taken once the existing evidence has been reviewed. Patients who were randomized to the HCQ arm earlier will complete their treatment. The decision was taken in an extraordinary meeting of the executive group of the Solidarity trial on Sunday. I, Kanak Keswani, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.